I want United Nations to help me. United Nations, please help me to tell United Kingdom, Britain. If British, United Kingdom, if they know the way, they join this country called Nigeria together, one Nigeria, they should come and separate this country called Nigeria. We are tired of this one Nigeria. They slaughter my brothers, my sisters, our forefathers. Millions of, more than 3 million of Igbos were slaughtered during the Biafran War. United Nations, do you know that today they are still persecuting Igbo? Since that Biafran War till today, they are still persecuting Igbo. So United Nations, please help me to tell Britain, United Kingdom, that join us together as one Nigeria. Help me to tell them they should come to Nigeria and separate us the way we are before, then come to join us together as one Nigeria. Igbos are tired of this one Nigeria. United Nations, please help me to tell Britain they should come to Nigeria and separate us the way we are before they come to Nigeria to join us together, as one Nigeria. They are still slaughtering Igbos till today. They are still persecuting Igbos till today. Help me to tell United Kingdom, Britain, they should come to separate us the way our ancestors live us before. And I say to United Kingdom, if our ancestors know that their children will suffer this one Nigeria, they wouldn't allow you people to join us together, to colonize us, to join us together as one Nigeria. United Nations, please help me to beg, help me to tell Britain, one Nigeria has slaughtered more than 5 million of Igbos. Britain, United Kingdom, one Nigeria have been slaughtered since 5 years or 6 years now. One Nigeria has slaughtered more than thousands of Igbos. United Kingdom, one Nigeria have been slaughtered, millions of Igbos has been gone because of one Nigeria. And you people kept silent because of the benefit you people are gaining in Nigeria. United Kingdom, you people kept silent because of the benefit that you people are gaining in Nigeria. And millions have gone because of one Nigeria. United Kingdom, come to Nigeria and separate us the way we are before you people come to this country and join us together. United Nations, I need your attention in this. Why are you people so wicked? This is the reason most of African countries right now, the individuals, they are going, all of them now focus on Russia, Putin. Because of what you people have caused in Africa, and most of Africa now do not need you people anymore. Because United Nations, when you people will see the truth, you people will pretend, you people will turn the truth upside down. United Nations, I will end this message here. Please help me to tell Britain they should come to separate us the way we are before, then join us together. Because this one Nigeria have been slaughtered, millions of Igbos have been died because of this one Nigeria, then join us together. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagaba. Shalom.